How's it going today, guys? Welcome back to another video. I thought I would change up a little bit of the scenery, and we're on a 2014 Can-Am Outlander 1000. We're out for a rip with my buddy Mike, and yeah, we're just gonna do some quad things since, you know, we got a whole bunch of rain, so we might as well go do some quad things. Shout out to my sister for letting me use her quad, because this thing is a 2014 and it's got like 1,500 miles on it, so this thing has been barely used, but it is a beast. I love this thing. Oh yeah. Do a little water wheelie. I do got to be a little careful because I don't have snorkels. Well, shall we keep ripping? Don't be like Mike, wear a helmet. Stuff. Oh, we won't hit those flowers. I actually enjoy riding quads, not gonna lie. It's peaceful. It's not as intuitive. You don't have to be as coherent. I mean, obviously on a machine like this you want to be somewhat coherent, but Mike's taking me for a rip down some trails. He's wanted the bonk down. Oh yeah. Getting muddy. Maybe I should buy one of these. I do got to keep in mind to keep an eye on the GoPro and make sure it's not all muddy. I'm not honestly used to that. Straight sideways, get it. She stank like cow shit. Oh! Mike said he doesn't know how deep this is, so we'll take it easy because I don't have snorkels. And I don't want to swamp my sister's quad. That would be kind of annoying. We'll run off here. I wonder how deep this is. Not too bad. I feel like in there is deep as hell. I really do feel like going through the center of this will be not bueno. Not muy bien.
Oh, it's big there.
Yeah. Woo, she stank like shit.
What, this thing?
Yeah.
Oh, it's stupid.
Like
You got her, fuck yeah. Well, looks like I'm going up on the bars. Yeah, any deeper and that would have actually been like a problem. Yeah, any deeper and that would have been pushing it for what you want to go through with a non-snorkeled quad. We're gonna watch him go through first. Go to the right, go to the right. Oh, that's nothing. Oh my God. Keep in mind this is 2x still, mother. And I'm sitting there on the camera, I'm like, go right, when you're over here on going to the left. Dumbass.
I always think I'm like, I don't know if I want to go right.
Holy shit, have we gotten a lot of water. This is crazy. Oh yeah, ripping. Get a little water wheelie going. Try anyways. Cross it or what? No.
Yeah, go time it all this cross.
Maybe if we had snorkels. Nah, maybe not even then.
I don't feel like it's that deep, but then again, it's pretty high.
Yeah, it's probably,
There's a road, there's decent.
it's probably 5 or 6 feet, I would think. Okay. Had to boost her up. I might have to buy myself a Renegade or something, to be honest. Probably. Let's see here, boys and girls. Spider-Man. Hoorah! Also, happy 4th of July to you Americans, neighbors to the south. It is currently 4th of July today. It won't be 4th of July when I'm uploading, but this is the deep one. Sake, man. Oh, shit! Okay. Just to go through some water. I just don't want to flood this damn quad. We're gonna put her in 4x. That was money. What a beautiful night out. No, you do it.
I gotta take a piss. It's really bad.
I'm actually kind of nervous. I don't want to fucking... You know these places.
No, I don't know this one very well. It's never been deep. This normally never has water.
Alrighty, sun's going down, we're heading home, so don't forget to drop a sub and a like. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Something a little bit different, being on the quad instead of a bike for once. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed that one, and see you later.